those right here.
Thank you.
Getting down and dirty. Alright, so we finished painting the room and I'm super excited. Obviously. Alright, so we finished painting the room and now I just need to take out the tape. My dad started it a little bit, but yeah, let's just get on into it. I think I'm scared of the fact that I might have like missed the tape a little bit. Not gonna lie, I did a pretty ass job at painting and also taping. The paint that I did it over like just dripped through the tape. And also my taping job, I didn't even like, I missed some of the blue, like I went over the walls. You know, it's fine though. The wall is just white and I just wanted to get rid of the blue in the end, so. Alright, an hour and a half later, we have arrived! Shit, I don't think they can see it. So the game plan is basically, my dad's not here yet, so me and my mom will walk around first, pick out what we want, and then once my dad is here, then we can eat the IKEA food, and then we can go ahead into like the warehouse of it and just pick out the items. I think I like the other one more though. No. Fun fact, I used to have one of these bonsai trees, but I killed it. Right, Mom? Okay, so new game plan. My dad is still on the freeway and he's stuck probably for like another hour and a half or so. So me and Mom are probably just gonna get the stuff ready and then we're gonna set it aside and then we're just gonna go eat somewhere while we wait. 502-19609. It's the top one. Do you need help? We're done!
The other one's good.
Woohoo!
On the paper, that's it.
Just right there. Okay.
So I was gonna do a haul on what I got at IKEA, but I just realized that literally everything is in a box, so that wouldn't be helpful at all, which means I should try to assemble it. I have never done any of this stuff. My parents don't trust me that I can like assemble this and not break anything. And honestly, I don't really trust myself either. Either today I'm gonna prove them that I can actually do it, or I'm gonna prove their point. So let's just dive right in. I'm gonna start off assembling the nightstand because that's the smallest thing. And then if it goes well, then maybe I can start on the bed frame. Yeah. Okay, so we have a knob, bunch of these things. Oh my god. Oh, it comes with tools though, so that's good. These little things. Well, it's actually a lot of pieces. We're good, we're good. Okay. So I need to screw some things together. All right, first screw in. Woo! Ow. Okay, I just finished the first step. It has been 15 minutes since I've been recording. Step 2, screw these things onto those things. Okay, you guys. Okay, so to be honest, my dad and my mom thought that I was taking too long to build this. So my dad ended up finishing this nightstand. So that just proves their point that I just cannot build or assemble anything. So shout out to my dad for finishing this nightstand. Hi guys, sorry, it might be the worst time to film right now because there is a lawnmower and then there's my dogs barking at it. But right now, everything's quiet, so I'm just gonna talk really fast. So the room is done. The bed frame got assembled. The bed got made. My nightstand, which was a hot mess, got made. My dad finished the railings for my clothes and also this really nice shelf that we got from IKEA. We don't have a closet door right now, but I think that probably will come in last later on. And now that we have all like the big furnitures and everything in, we just have to decorate it. Let's just go ahead and get started. Why, hello. Was that cheesy?
No.
No? Okay. The room is done, so let's go ahead and do a room tour. Come on in, come on in. Alright, so the first thing when you come into my room, a laundry basket. I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond. It was like the last one there. The room is mostly white, and I just kind of wanted to add some texture into it. I think it is rope. It's like all like weaved in together. I thought it was pretty cool, so why not? And then up here, I have this little dragon decor that my parents actually got when I was first born. Yeah, they got it in Hong Kong. You're oddly close to my face. So I just thought that was cute and kind of went with the vibe of my room, so I thought why not just keep it. Moving on to my drawer. It is from IKEA. It's like the standard Mal, I don't know how to pronounce their, like the collection of it, but on the top is like this weaved basket chair thing. I don't really know what it is, but my neighbor next door was having a garage sale. I just got it when I was like 5 for no reason. Actually, no, it was mostly for like my dolls. This is Linus. Linus is my succulent that Adrian got for me. Over here is this painting from Mexico. I've never been to Mexico, but Adrian also went on a trip and got that for me. Over here is a cactus. I haven't named him yet, or her. And then we also have this little light from IKEA. It goes like this. And then moving up here, I have like this small little shelf from Urban Outfitters. I really like anime, but like it doesn't really go with the vibe at all. So I tried my best to like put in the corner and add some like aesthetics, like this little book and like this candle from Anthropologie. I'm still working on it, so we'll see like how it goes. But yes, they're here to stay. Over here is my closet door. I love this door. I don't know why I wanted bifold doors. The previous closet door was really bad and ugly, and also it was broken, like it was just out of the tracks. But yes, let me open it. Ta-da! My dad finished this IKEA shelving unit. I don't really know what to put in here quite yet. I have some of my hat and scarves in here, and then this is like a shorter shelf. Here I have all my coats, and then I have like my sweaters and some dresses. The rest is like more storage space. But yeah, we have like this little gay ready corner. I got this mirror from this random person you don't really know. I put like my makeup up in this drawer. I don't want to show you the other drawers because it's really messy right now. Now on the top of it, I have like this little succulent, and then this little Polaroid from Urban Outfitters. It's pretty functional too. The other side has storage for your necklaces. We have my nightstand. So what I really wanted in my new room is to have a nightstand. I don't know why, I just never had one before. Up above we have some little hanging planters from IKEA. Here is my bed. I changed out the bed sheets because I thought white might go well with the room. Up above we have this handmade wall hanging. I don't remember who it's from, but I found her off of Instagram. I'll just go ahead and put her links in the description box. We can move over here. Right here is just like a small little hanging place to put my backpack when I come home from school, or any jackets that I'm just too lazy to put away. Thank you again to my parents for helping me out make this room. Thank you Adrian for filming, and then thank you Alicia, my sister, for literally letting me take in her room. Okay, well, bye, time to go. Time to go.